What is going on YouTube? Brandon Con here bringing you another video. Now today we are finally getting back to the Mustang. I finally got her running. I will be doing a video on that shortly. But in this video we are trying to be... wow. In this video we are going to be working on the power steering. Now the power steering does work, but there's a leak. There is a new power steering pump that I assume a previous owner put on. However, the fittings are leaking, so I got Prestone, I believe is how you say it, power steering fluid with stop leak. And to find out if it actually works, we are going to be using this UV dye. Anyway, so you guys weren't able to see it, but you're able to apparently use this in your motor, your engine oil, your transmission, your power steering, and your fuel system. Now how this works is you put a couple drops into whatever you're trying to find the leak of, like I just read, and you use a special UV light, and this is supposed to just straight up glow in it. So we will be using this to try and find the leak if it does not stop. There is another product out there that I know works, and if this does not work, I will be showing you guys how to use that stuff and stop your power steering leaks. So with that being said, let's head outside to the Mustang, fill it up, and then we'll check back later tonight and see if the power steering leak is gone, or if, you know, it didn't work and we have to start from scratch. I do have another bottle of power steering fluid just to see if maybe some did leak. So like I said, let's actually go outside and test this. So guys, we're back outside and we're about to go test the car. There she is in all her beautiful glory. So with the hood pop, we'll come to the power steering pump right here. And as you can see, there's basically nothing in there because it all leaked out. So now we take the power steering fluid, and let me switch hands here. This is the best way I could do this while still filming. So I'm just gonna basically fill this up. And you don't want to make it too full, which I think I could definitely use more. So I'm gonna fill this up and I will be right back. Alright, so I filled it up to the correct fill line, which is right there on the bottom, as you can see. So now the bottle does not say how much of this to use in there. However, everything I found online says, there you can see it, says to use about a teaspoon. So I'm just gonna put a splash in it. So I would say that's about good. So now with the power steering fluid and the stop leak and the UV dye in there, let's start up and I'm gonna go for a drive. Don't mind the chunk taken out of the steering wheel. That's gonna be fixed in another video. Alright guys, so I just got done driving around for a couple minutes and now we're gonna go check the power steering and see if anything leaked or if the leak stop worked. And we'll be able to tell because that UV dye will let us see it with this flashlight. So here's the light I'm talking about, and you can see that when I flash it around, I'm not seeing any leaks or anything real bad from the light. So from what I can see is the power steering leak stop worked and there's no longer a leak. I will be coming back in a day or two to see if it actually worked or not, and if it did work, then this video will be uploaded and you guys will see that the power steering leak stop works. Now there is a very loud droning sound when I go to use the power steering, but I'll address that later and get everything running smooth. So I hope you guys really appreciate this video. And if you guys liked it, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Every single person counts, and I really appreciate those of you guys who do support me and appreciate my videos. Thanks, and I hope to see you guys next time.